Let's go! Friday night, we're going out, knocking on the door, I'm at your house. You open up and say that you're not even ready at all. You run upstairs to paint your toes, and you trip and fall when you rip your hose. You scream, crying, I've got to change all my clothes. I guess it's really just my fate, another Cosmo Mega day. Before the hour gets too late, there's something that I gotta say. You don't have to fix that dress, I like it when your hair's a mess. That's when you always look the best. And I love you, no matter what the clothes you wear, or how you do your hair. No matter what you try to change, I'll always feel the same. No matter what the car you drive, no makeup face to disguise, I'll always see you from the